Hello dear students, this is me and with me is your mathematics to discuss. Today we are introducing lightboard technology to make your learning much and more interesting than before. So here we are going to take you about Pythagoras Theorem. So are you excited? Then why to wait? Let's get in. According to Pythagoras, he stated that in any right angle triangle, if you consider the sides like A, B, C, he stated that the square of hypotenuse is always equal to sum of square of remaining sides, as C square is equal to A square plus B square. So let us visualize your Pythagoras now. So consider a right angle triangle with the sides A and B. To find the actual length of hypotenuse of any right angle triangle, here the side of length A, if we move up to A units, we get A square. As well, in the same way, if we move the length B of the side up to B units, we get B square. So now I am attempting to show you that the square of hypotenuse is equal to A square plus B square. So by moving B square over the hypotenuse, and also segmenting the A square into smaller pieces and moving all those smaller pieces wrap around the B square. Now we can see clearly that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of A square and B square. In order to find the actual length of hypotenuse, we should put square root on it. Then we get square root of A square plus B square as the actual length of hypotenuse. Typically, we denote the length of hypotenuse side by C, then square of hypotenuse becomes which is equal to C square. As I told, to find the actual length of hypotenuse side, if we put square root over it, we get the length as C by C, where the actual length of hypotenuse becomes C units. By summarizing all those things, we get a right angle triangle with the sides like A, B, C, where C is the hypotenuse. Then we have, according to Pythagoras statement, as A square plus B square is always equal to C square. Let us consider an example over it. Consider a right angle triangle with the sides measuring 3 meter and 4 meter. To find the actual length of hypotenuse side, if we square 3, we get 9 meter square, and also if we square 4 meter, we get 60 meter square. Now in this video, I am going to divide the both squares into a unit tiles. If we got 60 meter and that of 9 meter square. By moving all the tiles over the hypotenuse like 16 and 9 tiles over the hypotenuse side, we had another square of length 5 by 5 with measuring 25 meter square. If we put square root on over it, we get the actual length of hypotenuse side as 5 meter. Thus, we get a right angle triangle with the sides 3 meter, 4 meter and as well as 5 meter, which are oftenly called as Pythagorean triplets. This is all about your Pythagoras. To know more about such concept, stay tuned and subscribe our YouTube channel, and we'll meet you in next videos. Until then, never ever forget your mathematics, because mathematics is our life. Thank you so much.